Uh, 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 Well, alright, let's see. The blue scientist is calling me. You need me at your lab? I'm on my way. Luckily, the blue scientist lives right there. Okay, let's just head in this. Okay, I'm here. Blue scientist. Hello, Flushy. We seem to have suspicious info. What is it now? It seems like our mass salute is moving away. What do you mean? It's coming to our planet. Dan. Oh no, then the clouds open up and God says, another mission for you, Flushy. Let me explain. Elon Musk tried to send some supplies, but it messed up to orbit up. That's why we need you. Alright, blue scientist, what do I do? That's what I'm about to tell you. Okay, let's just get this over with. Use my time machine and go to the past and configure the orbit. What am I gonna run into in the past? The biggest snowstorm yet. Snowstorm? But it's only September. Is this the time machine? This is the time machine. Oh. Wait, I used this in the other video. I just put the year I want to go in and it takes me there. Huh? Nope. Huh? Watch this. Whoa, on the control it has the date. Okay, what year am I going in? Okay. I've got all my winter stuff because you said go to control center and alright. Wait, shift and P? Yup, stands for past. Alright. Alright. Shift and P a time pause. Alright. Whoa. Whoa. Ah! Oh, where am I? It looks the same. Okay. Dan. Blue scientist was right. There is a snowstorm. A note from blue scientist. Flushy, it's the year 1936. Whoa! Hey, sir! really is cold. Huh? That carriage is amazing. Can I ride in it with you? Sure. Thanks. So what's it like in the 1930s? Well, we just drink coffee. Oh, okay. Huh? Give me one of your cents. What? Oh, please. I got a newborn baby, please. Drive away, kid. No! No! My new friend! Ah! He was such a good friend. Oh, I need to head to 1973. Right, oh. Oh no, the carriage, it can't stand the cold. Ah! Yo, ah! It crashed. Okay, now I need to stop this salute thing. Alright, okay, okay, just do that and no! I gotta head back to the Blue Scientist. Okay, I'm here. Who are you? Okay, put it through. The tech is being designed. Alright, good job for Mr. Daves. It's our job to do this mission. What the fuck? Okay, how do I stop it from... Okay, how do I stop it from crashing down? It will be here any second. What's crashing? Some sort of Mars thing. I salute something. I salute what with this one? I dunno. I dunno. Mr. Dave's cancel mission. Oh, I've messed up. Get out of here, you stupid thing. Cancelled. Phew, I need to head back. Shut up, you baby. Did you just kick a child? Okay, 2024. That was good. Woo! I saved Brookhaven. Thank you all for watching. Shout out to Blue Leaf. Well, see you guys.